It's another cold night. Right now it's 35 degrees. Feels more like 29 degrees. Check it out. And apparently it will snow at 7 p.m. I asked Bun to stay inside the car. I'm actually going to place my phone down. It's windy right now too, so I'm not sure if the audio is going to come out good or not.
And before you watch them skate, please comment down good luck cats in the comments.
Good luck, cats. After it's so cold, I'll probably shut the trunk for Bun's sake. Wow. About 20 minutes left. Probably not even 20 minutes to the snow. I was planning to come out here after dinner time, but I had no idea it was going to snow. Bun informed me it was going to snow while I was still at work. And so, you know, that didn't really give me any choice but to come out here and skate as soon as possible. And then, yeah, normally I like to eat dinner first before I skate. But considering that it was snow later, I have to skate first. And then I'll eat afterwards. Wow, the wind chill is really strong right now. It's like a big ass sewer over here. Yeah. Actually, this parking lot is really bright. Ooh. Holy shit. Should have put some lotion on or something. I left my earmuffs back at home too. See a car coming in. Well, at least it's Friday tomorrow. Oh man, the Super Bowl was crazy. It was one of the closest games that I watched. I had people over during Super Bowl, so we ordered lots of pizza. In fact, I have a lot of leftovers. We ordered like 5 boxes of pizza, French fries, we got chicken wings from Costco, and what else do we have? Yeah, that's what we have for Super Bowl, and I have overestimated the amount of pizza I had left over since up until Wednesday noon. I had pizza for lunch though. Oh man. Oh man, this reminds me of those days where I filmed during the really cold nights. This is one of them. At least it's not snowing now, but it's just a matter of time till it snow. So I will just make the best out of my workout right now. Oh man, I'm super tired too, man. I was bench pressing last night with dumbbells. I also worked out in kettlebells. So like this morning when I woke up, I'm extra tired. Woo! I see someone on the hoverboard. Cracks. Let me pull over. Oh god, it's so windy. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I was trying to talk earlier, but I don't think the camera picked up my voice that clear. I had skated in the dark area last week, and it was the first time I filmed myself. The footage didn't came out that good. I learned to bring more lights next time, you know. Professor Will had commented on the product. Was it Everbeam E200? That's supposed to be like, that product is supposed to give you more light source, and it's good for like I guess bikers, skaters, perfect for that. So I've just ordered 2 pairs, and they should arrive on Amazon either tomorrow or maybe Sunday. I will try it out next time when I happen to skate in the dark. But man, my eyesight hurt so much after that day. I remember the next morning when I woke up from skating, man, my eyesight felt like I was playing video games for like 10 hours straight. Alright, got enough rest, I'm back. Yeah, I was actually planning to go somewhere further, but it's actually going to snow soon, so I don't have much time. I'm just trying to make the best out of it right now. Woo. Yeah, gotta make sure that no cars coming in here. This is a drive-through area. Woo. Oh, and it was Valentine's yesterday too. Yeah, we ended up ordering sushi for Valentine's Day, which is kind of odd. Sushi is not really like the top romantic food during Valentine's Day. But last night when we stopped by the sushi place near our house, it was jam-packed. A lot of people were eating inside the restaurant. And pretty much just about every restaurant near our house, they were all packed up. Yeah, we ate at home. We had to pick up. There's tempura that comes with it. Tempura are pretty much deep fried veggies. Yeah, it also came with miso soup. That's one of my favorites. Woo. Alright, let me rotate and go this way. I think I have like less than 15 minutes left to the snow. Right now it's still skiable. There's about like an 80-90% chance of snow soon. Whew. Oh man, my legs are kind of tired too from kettlebell workout. Even though I haven't skated since Saturday, doing the kettlebell workout last night required me to stand still, balance my body while I was extruding out the kettlebell. Coming here is a lot better than my backyard. My backyard was too small for me to go on loops. I practiced doing some slow slides in my backyard, but it's only so big for me to like only do certain movement. I practiced going backwards too. Oh man, I can't feel my fingers now. That's how cold it is. Shit. Now there's an entrance this way and there's an entrance here. So at any given time, cars can also turn in here too. So that's why I'm actually I'm keeping my eyes out for any incoming traffic. Let's go back toward this way. And it's dark as shit. They start turning. Yeah, it's too dark. Wow. Man, this week went by so quick. I just can't believe it. I say this every time, you know, but hey man, the week goes by quick, especially the older you are. Oops. Ooh, look at the turn. Still here? Oh god. I realized I left my bottle of Gatorade in my car the other day. Oh wow. That is the one good thing about wintertime. It keeps your drink nice and cold. So this is the Gatorade Frost flavor. Arctic Blitz. Very good. But my favorite, or one of my favorites, would be the lime cucumber. Another favorite of mine is the watermelon with something. I'm not sure, it's watermelon and kiwi, but there's some like watermelon flavor Gatorade that I love too. It's really rare to find that in the store. A lot of times I ended up driving to a really far Walmart just to get these flavors. Oh. 657. So I have roughly like 3 minutes left until it snow. Oh, now it says it will snow at 8 p.m. 90% chance. Alright, so it looks like I have 1 hour left for skating day. But I had told Big Mama I will go back home in half an hour. But it changed now, right? Yeah, Bun telling me that was 80% chance at 7 p.m. Now it looks like it's postponed to 8 p.m. I realized. Oh yeah, Bun wants to know what's anyone's favorite Gatorade flavor. I'm not sure. Can you see Bun inside the car?
Hi.
Probably hard to see.
Water? Here you go.
Yeah, she's inside here using her iPad. Now I parked my car in an open area, so this is one of the secondary road where cars can still come in. So I'm still alert. I'm keeping close eye on my car, you know, in case anyone comes in, trying to take my car. I left my keys and my wallet in my car too. My man purse is left there too. Oh shoot. Whew. Woo-wee. Yeah, this parking lot brings back a lot of memories. During summertime, we came here, and this was back then when I had my iPhone. The very first time when I started recording and talking was at this parking lot. But I messed up the audio. I had a microphone and it was hooked up to Not Dally. So I was basically filming while Not Dally was talking with Big Mama in our car. So that really ruined the whole footage. So I basically scrapped all of those out. And plus there's not much skating action, right? I was on my Kinetic 80 millimeters. I was not really skating because I was still on like the default, the stock bearings, which sucks, by the way. You need a lot of energy, especially for beginners who's not really efficient with strides. You know, it was not really a fun area to skate. Now, once I upgraded my bearings, I've purchased the red bearings. That made my kinetic skate goes a lot faster. The wheel spins from 3 seconds and now up to 20 seconds. Right now on my K2 S90 BOA, I'm using the stock bearings ILQ9, which is good enough. The wheel spins for 20 seconds without me even upgrading to the red bearings. Whew. Switch hands. Yeah, my right hand got too cold. I have to squeeze my left fist. Hold on to my selfie stick. Yeah, I would probably skate a little bit more. I don't want to stay out too late. Skating is what I do for fun. You know, that's what I always tell people. As far as making a living, I have a day job. I also do short-term trading on stocks, long-term trading, a long-term investment as well. I mean, those are like the two safer approaches to make money. It's really through the stock market, whether you're into stocks, options, futures, mutual funds. You know, there's so many ways to invest or trade. I'll leave it up to you guys. There's really no right or wrong way, but that's one of the ways I would recommend for anyone that's looking to make like side income. You know, start researching on the stock market. That's one of the best ways to make money. And you can also lose money depending on the strategies. You know, higher risks, higher rewards kind of stuff. I've also made money through referral links, via surveys, QA testing, product feedback, group study. You know, that's my third source of income. Now, it would be great if I'm able to monetize off rollerblading, but it's a really niche market. You know, not many people watch rollerblading to begin with, and plus, based on my skill level, I'm still a beginner, so I highly doubt that I'm able to like get a lot of watch hours. You know, most people that watch me are probably people that want to see how I improve, you know, like how I skate my family, spend time with them. There's definitely a lot of these advanced skaters channels out there already. You know, for me, I'm actually just doing it more for fitness purpose. If I happen to get big, get monetized, whatever, that's a plus. You know, but that's not really my primary concern. My number one goal is to stay fit via rollerblading. I have other ways to monetize or make money. Oh man, the wind going inside my mouth really drains me out, man. I can't even breathe. Guys, that's all I have. I hope everyone have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.